In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely delete an item or task in Asana. Sometimes deleting a task in Asana doesn't actually remove it forever, it just goes to a kind of recycle bin, which means it can still be restored. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find those deleted tasks and then permanently remove them so they're gone for good. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana workspace and that you know which task you want to permanently delete. We'll start from the main Asana screen. Look towards the top of the page for the search bar. Click on Search. This is where you can look for anything across your projects, but we're going to use it to find tasks that are already in the trash. Next, near the search area, you will see an option with a small icon that looks like horizontal lines or filters. Click on these lines to open the advanced search filters. This lets you narrow down exactly what kind of items you want Asana to show you instead of getting a long list of everything. In the filter options that appear, look for the field labeled status. Click on status to open a drop-down menu. By default, Asana usually shows you active tasks, but you can change this to focus only on ones that have been deleted. From the status drop-down, select deleted. This tells Asana that you only want to see tasks that are currently in the trash and not anything that's still active or completed. Once you've chosen deleted, go ahead and click on search again, so Asana runs the search using your updated filters. After a moment, you'll see a list of tasks that have been deleted in your workspace, based on your permissions and the filters you've set. Find the specific deleted task you want to remove forever and click to open that deleted task. This will bring up the task details on the right-hand side of the screen. Inside the task details, look for the option that says Delete Permanently. Click Delete Permanently to remove the task from Asana for good. Depending on your setup, Asana may ask you to confirm that you really want to do this.